salt is taken from the sea. I stand dethroned, I'm naked and I bleed. But when your finger points so savagely, is anybody there to believe in me? To hear my plea and take care of me? How can I go on from day to day? Who can make me strong in every way? Where can I be safe? Where can I belong? In this great big world of sadness, how can I forget those beautiful dreams that we shared? They're lost and they're nowhere to be found. How can I go on?
Uff, quina por, Conchi.